Last year, I took a $3,000 vacation and paid for every single dollar in advance. No debt, no guilt, no post-trip credit card bill. Here is the exact system I used, and you can start it today for any trip. Divide the total trip cost by the number of months until you leave. That number is your monthly savings target. Open a separate savings account and name it after the trip. Flights, hotel, food, activities, shopping, and a buffer. Most people underestimate the real cost by 30%. Add 15% to whatever number you come up with as a cushion. Cashback credit cards. Spend on groceries, earn toward flights. Sell 3 things you no longer use, and put every dollar in the trip fund. Redirect 1 subscription for the savings period. Flights are cheapest on Tuesday and Wednesday. Check midweek. Book refundable hotel rates and cancel if a better deal appears. Google Flights price tracking is free and shows when to buy. Budget versus actual for every category while you are there. Know before you spend whether you are on pace. Coming home with money left over feels amazing. The free vacation savings tracker in the description has the sinking fund calculator and daily trip budget built in. Download it from the link below and pick your next trip today. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.